We will be learning about SwapKit in this video. We will be doing it in Google Colab like we always did. First of all, let us install Blueqat by typing the code !pip install Blueqat. Let us type the code in Google Colab. Type the code !pip install Blueqat and click on the play button to run the code. After some time, the Blueqat module will be installed in Google Colab. Now let us see what a SwapKit is. A SwapKit, it simply swaps the qubits, and in this video we will be doing it for 2 qubits. If the input qubit is 0 1, after using the SwapKit, the output will be 1 and 0, and if the input qubit is 1 0, after using the SwapKit, the output will be 0 1. Now let us try setting the 0th qubit to 1. Type the code that is shown here. The x0 makes the 0th qubit to 1, and if you run this code, we get the output as 1. Let us confirm this code in Google Colab. Type the code that was shown earlier. After typing the code, click on the play button to run the code. As you can see, the output is 1. Now let us try swapping 2 qubits. Type the code that is shown. The 3CX gate represents the swap gate. Notice that the middle CX gate is reversed. The X0 gate makes the 0th qubit to 1, and if you run this code, you will get the output as 0 1. Now let us see how we got the output. Initially the qubit were 0 0. After applying X0 gate, the 0th qubit turned to 1, and after applying the swap gate, the qubits swapped with each other. Initially it was 1 0, and after applying swap gate, the output was 0 and 1. Now let us confirm this operation in Google Colab. Type the code that was shown earlier. Click on the play button to run the code, and as you can see, the output is 0 and 1. Let us again try to swap 2 qubits. In this case, we will be making a small change. Instead of applying X gate to the first qubit, we will be applying X gate to the second qubit. And if we run this code, we will get the output as 1 0. Let us see how we got the output. Initially, the qubits were 0 0. After applying X gate to the second qubit, the qubits changed to 0 and 1, and after applying swap gate, the qubits swapped with each other. 0 and 1 changed to 1 and 0. Again, let us confirm the operation in Google Colab. Type the code that was shown earlier. Click on the play button to run the code, and as you can see, the output comes out as 1 and 0.